Welcome to Jason Markk Sneaker Care 101. I'm Joe, and with me as always is Justin, and we're your sneaker care technicians. And today we're going to be showing you how to clean the white on white Air Force One.
So yeah, we have the white on white Air Force One, classic shoe that I know like 9 out of 10 of you sneakerheads probably have. Yeah, this is a shoe for summertime that I know we probably wear throughout the year, but I like to keep them clean after every wear. What do you think about them, Joe?
One thing I think right off the top, it's just an iconic shoe. It's a great silhouette. Like he said, it's great for day parties, great for that summertime active stuff. But once again, one thing I will say is it's just straight to the point. It's just straight up leather, straight rubber, and it's gonna clean up really easy and really great. You really can't go wrong with a pair of these, and I think you guys have been asking in comments for some time now for us to do a white on white Air Force, and now we're gonna do it.
So here's what you'll need. A bottle of the Jason Markk solution, standard brush, a bowl of water, and some microfiber towels. So let's get started. Joe, can you take the laces off for me, please?
Sure.
Thanks, bud. So, yeah, it's standard material, so of course I'm gonna be using the standard brush, and then just the solution. And the hardest thing on this shoe, I would say that people have a hard time cleaning is the midsole. So we're gonna go over that with you guys and how to clean it like a little bit better, how to get it more white and get those like really like stubborn stains out. So yeah, he got the shoes unlaced. Thanks, man. So I'm gonna get the brush right here. I'm gonna dip it in the water, grab some of the solution and pour it over the bristles, dip it back in the water, and then I'm gonna just try to create a foam here.
And as you can see, like right away, like I said, since it's such a generic shoe, it's gonna clean up great. It's gonna just go right with the flow. Like you don't have to really sit there too long on certain areas or spend too much time on one stain. Most of it should just kind of clean up good, and the standard brush is just excellent for this kind of material.
And like the benefits of taking the laces off again is just getting the tongue right here. A lot of people don't do that and it kind of looks off, and one part of the shoe looks clean and the others don't.
And also, I don't know if you noticed, he didn't really add any more solution to the brush. You can also kind of just dip and go too until you need to apply the solution, just to kind of help save on that end.
All right, so the midsole, what I like to do is get it foamy right here. And then with the microfiber towel, what you can do is add a little bit of pressure with your fingers or your thumb or something like that. That's why when you actually go over it, you're actually picking up more dirt. Some people just like to wipe it. It won't clean it up as well, so put a little bit of pressure with your fingers. And the midsoles will clean up a little bit better. And then from there, you can just get the whole shoe as well. See, you can see it looks a lot better. As you can see, the shoe cleaned up pretty well. Looks really great. And then the next step that we have to do is get the shoelaces cleaned. Joe.
Nice. You want to pass me that bowl of
Yeah,
water?
sure, man.
Thank you. Some of that solution. Thank you. And we've showed you this plenty of times, and it's the same every time. So just kind of get your laces wet real quick. Just kind of get them nice and wet. Add a few drips of solution to it. And kind of just use the method as if you're washing your hands, just kind of back and forth. So cool. And then just kind of wring it out.
Yeah. And it's good to clean the laces too because you want the even clean look. So yeah, it's good to clean the shoe and then clean the laces as well. So yeah, everything looks good.
It's definitely that cherry on the top. Gotta have clean laces with a clean shoe. You want to pass me that towel?
Yeah.
Now you just want to run the laces through the towel. Just kind of just pull it right through.
So now that we waited for the shoelaces and the shoe to dry, you can see that the shoe looks great. It's back to its white again. Very easy clean, like we said, just a standard brush. And the midsoles, remember the midsole trick that we told you, add some pressure on it. And yeah, now they're ready to hit the town, ready for summer.
Nice. And I will add this real quick. This is the perfect shoe to carry a quick wipe around with you with. This is easy to clean, just spot cleaning it as you go, because if you do let it build up heavily, it'll be like how it was in the beginning of this video, just heavily dirty, and you will have to do a deep clean on it by pulling out your laces, going over everything. So yeah, quick wipe is definitely gonna save you when you're at these parties, or even when you're just hanging out at the beach or doing whatever you're doing. It's going to be something you can just tear open, wipe it down, and throw it in the trash right when you're done.
Thank you for watching Jason Markk Sneaker Care 101. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. And then leave down in the comments which shoe you guys want to see clean next. And thank you guys.